that the enemy immobilized tank has been completely destroyed, we shall disengage westwards on how abandon the ground back to the farm base before the last light. The temperatures range from 14 degrees Celsius.
So therefore, UPDF is a clean force, but it must guard against contamination. All good things can be contaminated. Now, because of that, because of the goodness, you have seen that we have been able to guarantee peace for a long time now. And as the CDF said, we are going to maintain the guardian of peace. Nobody will disturb our peace. The security in the country is very strong. You remember there were criminals who were disturbing Kampala, killing people and so on. But we have taken measures and the situation is stable and will remain stable. What is the doctrine and the ideology of this force? The NRM says it should be a force which is pro-people, which is there to defend and uphold the dignity of the people of Uganda. So therefore, your methods must reflect that.
Action go non-stop, but here they just try to demonstrate. That is guarding, somebody is using a stick. Your Excellency, that is self-defense. When you attack with a knife, that one will be attacked on your back, and you have to grab the opponent. the end of the day.